This organization, another part of me, is on the performance from Wembley 1988. So let's watch it. Okay. And his hips like really flexible. Yeah, I love that turn. The placement of choir voice there too. Usually this melody is very interesting. Yeah. The sound effects stuff. He knows for sure how to hide people up well. Okay. Like the trumpet of the song. The ending pause. The song was actually done really well there. She really liked the trumpet and the of the song. Also the melody of the song. She really got all the sound effects she's making. That's pretty cool. It's like an actual soundboard. We can make like any sound effects he wants. Also there's a legendary performance for sure. After thing to the choir was like the perfect timing. That amazing performance from again yet again. It never seems to disappoint me. So this video was made to by Shaniza. This was actually enjoy watching the video. Now in the video time, so subscribe and I'll send the next video.